Yo, what's going, traders? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Juba Snipe in the building. So guys, I'm back again, guys. Been 2 to 3 days, guys. I feel like I already missed you guys, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what you guys gave to me, but I always feel like I want to share some new tips with you guys because I want everybody to learn. If you following this channel for a while, I know you're gaining something. You're learning a lot about my strategies, guys. My strategies, I can say they are 98% winning rate. First thing first, guys, I don't scalp the market because I don't believe in scalping the market. I don't believe in starting the business, in taking a risk of $100 where you're going to make $20. What I believe in is to invest $100 to make $500. You take a risk of $100 to make $500, not taking a risk of $100 to make $20. That doesn't make sense to me. So that's why I don't believe in scalping the market. I don't recommend to scalp the market. This is no. So today video, guys, I'm gonna show you how I was able to kill KJPY. All right, make sure you're recording everything that I'm showing you because this is how you have to do things. You have to do things same as I'm about to show you so that you can be able to become a profitable as well. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you do the right things. You know what to do, you know what I'm saying? Before we get to the lesson, do the right things, you know what I'm saying? Click that like button, you know what I'm saying? Now subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Now let's get to it. So as you can see on the chart, guys, we got KJPY, you know what I'm saying? We got KJPY. So I'm going to show you guys very easy. I'm gonna keep it simple for everyone to understand, you know what I'm saying? You can do this, guys, you can do this. So let me show you how I was able to kill something about 105 pips, you know what I'm saying? We took this trade, me and my team, you know what I'm saying? So if you feel like you want to join the team, you know what I'm saying, you can check the link is on description below. You can check the free Telegram group, then you can join the free Telegram group. And once you decide, guys, you can join the team. Then we're gonna be taking the same trade as I trade. You're going to be the same trading the same way as I trade. So this is how I was able, guys, to find this trade right here. Let me show you. So you can see that the market has been forming. First thing first, guys, you need to know the direction of the market. This is the key. So as you can see, if you look at the market has been at this point here, you know what I'm saying? The market has been at this point here. Let me show you. The market has been at this point here, you know what I'm saying? Give us some, you know, some dropped, you know what I'm saying, and give us some pullback, you know what I'm saying? You can see lower high. This was lower high right here, and then give us some lower low over here, you know what I'm saying, and give us some lower high at this point. And after that, it gave us some lower low, but couldn't continue, and then decide to break the lower high, the one who was already given before. Then at this point, then I was like, yo, you know what, the market is about to change the direction. So what I did is, let me just leave this this one like this so that I can be able to see. What I did is I just put up my my trend line. Actually, I pulled up my trend line from this point here. From here, my trend line was on already, you know what I say. My trend line was on already, you know what I say, because the market, as soon as the market started going on downtrend, once the market gave you the first if it's going on downtrend, as soon as the market gives you the first lower high, then you need to put your trend line, you know what I say, to connect these two lower high, these two lower the first the first one and the second one. You must put up your trend line in order to understand the direction of the market, so that as soon as the market changes direction, then you will be able to know. So then I put up my trend line, and after that, after I see at this point here, after I see like the market is breaking the trend line at this point here, after I see like the market is breaking the trend line, then I was like, you know what, the market is no longer going to be on downtrend. You know what, the market now is about to go on uptrend. And then I had another resistance right here. Excuse me. I had another resistance right here. This one was my support as soon as the market was going on downtrend, and this one right here was my resistance right here. You can see that I had my channel, you know what I'm saying, because the market has been moving lower low, you know what I'm saying, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low here, and the lower high here, it just broke the trend line. So as soon as the market broke the trend line, you know, I was like, yo, you know what, now the market is going on an uptrend. What I did, I just, you know, used my zone strategy. I put the zone here. Then I was like, as soon as the market break this zone here by going up, then I'm just gonna put my stop loss right here. You know, I'm gonna put my stop loss right here. You know, I'm gonna put my stop loss right here. Then I'm gonna swing this trade all the way to this point over here, because it's already changed the direction. And then of course the market did the same. You know, the market did the same. After some time, the market decided to continue on uptrend by breaking this zone right here, because it gives us some pullback, you know, just to fool us as if still on downtrend. But I didn't trust it because it's already break my trend line right here. Then I was like, okay, so I'll be waiting. As soon as the market is gonna break this trend line, this zone right here, then I'm gonna enter with my team right here. Then the market did the same. This is where we entered here. As soon as the market break out the zone, this is where we entered, and then the market gave us the continuation. I knew that at this point the market is gonna give us some pullback, because you can see that there's a zone here. Let me show you. You can see that there's some zone here. Let me show you the zone. Here is the zone. Here's the zone. I knew that the market is gonna give us some pullback at this point, but we're still gonna have some continuation. You know what I'm saying? So this is how I was able to find this trade. You know what I'm saying? And then after that, now you can see that we have another support as uptrend. You know what I'm saying? You can see that we got some support right here on uptrend. So to me, this one is no longer makes sense. This one is no longer makes sense. So now I'm only focusing on uptrend. The market now, KJPY now is on uptrend. As you can see, guys, we already killed some 105 pips already. So I wanted to show you guys how I was able to find this trade, so you can use the same trick as I'm showing you also to catch your trade. This is my 100% strategy that I believe in. And then after I done looking at my price action, I always go to my mobile strategy just to confirm that both of them, they are showing me the same thing. And once they are once I find out that they're showing me the same thing, then I always, you know, like take the trade without no fear. So now you can see that we got support and we got a resistance. You know what I'm saying? We have support and we have resistance. So we expecting the market to continue moving between the support and resistance, something like this, something like this, you know, say something like this, something like that, until we hit the last take profit. This is my last take profit, you know, say this is my last take profit right here. Then I'll be out of the market. But at the same time, guys, as soon as you swing the market, you always make sure you protect your profit. Like now, my profit is already protected at this point right here, this point right here, because I'm expecting the market to come at this point and shoot up, you know, say my take profit, my TP1 was this one. So as soon as the market get done retest, I expect more on going up. So this I was able, guys, to find this trade. I just made this video just to show you the trick that I was using, and this is the trick I always use, you know, say it's my price action and my mobile strategy. I look the market, I looked at my mobile strategy just to make sure that, because my mobile strategy shows me quick which market to focus on, and then once I see, I come to the price action to make sure that what the mobile strategy showing me is the same thing that I'm going to see on the chart. So do the right things, guys. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and join the free Telegram group, guys. You going to make money with us, no cap. And see you guys in the next video. Tomorrow is Monday, guys. Make sure you stay ready for the market. We're going to be killing the market so much. If you want to see the show, join the free Telegram group. That's where I always share my results for each and every trade that I took. So peace out, guys. See you on the next one.